We'll guide you through how to master Blender sculpting techniques. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop and make sure you're in sculpt mode. You can do this by selecting your object and then going to the top left of the screen to switch from object mode to sculpt mode. Once you're in sculpt mode, you'll see a variety of sculpting tools appear on the left-hand side of the screen. These tools are essential for shaping your model. Start by selecting the Grab tool, which is perfect for pulling and pushing the mesh to create large forms and establish a base shape. Next, use the Clay Strips tool to add volume and build up the surface of your model, much like you would with real clay. It's crucial to frequently adjust the brush size and strength, which you can do by pressing F and moving your mouse to change the size, or Shift plus F to adjust the strength. For more refined details, switch to the Crease tool, which allows you to carve fine lines and intricate patterns. Remember to frequently use the Smooth tool by holding down Shift, which helps to blend and refine your details seamlessly as you sculpt. Also, make use of the symmetry options found in the Tool Settings panel on the right, ensuring your model is uniform on both sides. To enhance your workflow, consider using a graphics tablet for more intuitive control over the sculpting process. Lastly, don't forget to save your progress regularly by going to File, then Save As, to prevent any loss of your hard work. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.